Hey, if you want to remote play on your Android phone from the PS5 Slim, first of all, you have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And next, on your Android smartphone, you just have to go into the Play Store, open the search pool and get the remote play application. So that's this one that we have to download. Next, on the PS5 Slim, we have to go into the settings. Now we have to scroll down and go for the system. Scroll to the remote play and be sure that you turn it on by tapping on the switcher. You can also check for the link devices. So we have to start this remote play application on the computer mobile device and input the code. And there's also the connection history from my previously devices. I'm gonna actually clear it. There we go. Now go to this link device, open this tab, and now when this application is on your phone, you have to click open. Now we have to sign in to the PlayStation network. We have to use the same account that we are using on the PS5 Slim. When you have this notification, click to confirm and continue. We can click X. We don't need to connect the controller. We can use also this on-screen controller. We have to select PS5, then click OK. And now it is searching for connections. Okay, for some reason in my case, it is actually not working right now. Previously, I just get automatic connection, but right now I have this information that I have to input this code that appears on the screen. So that's 73664 and 3 times 7. And now tap link, and as you can see, right now we are actually connected. So if you have the same issue, you just have to wait until this number row pops on the screen, and it looks a little bit weird. So all you have to do is just to rotate your phone like this. If it doesn't work for some reason, you can actually turn on this notification panel and enable the auto rotation of your screen. And now take a look. When I'm gonna click on the wheel, I'm going back. So basically now my phone is working like controller. So if I want to play Fortnite, I can do this for sure. There we go. And the quality is actually really good. And that's basically how you can remote play from your Android phone and the PS5 Slim. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.